If you manage commercial properties, you know how tough it can be to find qualified electrical contractors. Then there's all the paperwork: estimates, contracts, insurance, invoices. The more properties you have, the more complex it gets. Now there's a simpler option. Introducing PowerForce by Qmerit. It's the first single-source solution for electrical contractor services at commercial properties across the country. Whether you have a complex electrical project, want a preventive maintenance program, or just need day-to-day electrical repairs, at one job site or many, once or on an ongoing basis. With PowerForce, you can access expert electrical services for all your facilities from one trusted partner. That's because Qmerit built, manages, and maintains America's premier network of commercial electrical contractors. One partner means one point of contact and accountability, one invoice, and one digital platform to streamline it all. Simply put, PowerForce by Qmerit is an easier way to get electrical work done at commercial properties. Contact Qmerit today to start simplifying your electrical contractor services.